Ice on the threat. Caribbean countries get strong warning amidst forecast for active hurricane season. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, over 150 children removed from the streets. And we will not lie. Prime Minister gives a reassurance as election campaign activities intensify. There is also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.